But how does one work between MS Project and Excel in a dynamic way whereby the figures that are changed in MS Project would automatically ramify through to Microsoft Excel? This is how we do it. Let's open Microsoft Excel. Okay, and let's activate it on this screen. There we go. So we're going to Microsoft Excel using Windows 11's nice tool over here for copy paste. I'm in Excel now, and I'm just going to hit new file in Excel, blank workbook over there. All right, and I'm going to put that up on the left hand side with project on the right hand side. So you can see there I have got both open. Okay, I'm now going to select all the data here. All right, I'm going to select all the data here on the different tasks and the costs. Okay, I'm now going to right click and I'm going to copy cell, and I'm going to go through to Excel over here. All right, and I'm not just going to paste, I'm going to go to paste, special, and I'm going to link it, and I'm going to choose HTML as a linking format. Click on OK. You will see it will take a second or two. Watch here. There we go. So whatever data is there in MS Project is also here in MS Excel. Okay, all right. That's actually quite interesting. Okay, so let's go through to MS Project and let's look, let's say, at this particular task over here. Preparing the budget, which costs 2,560. Okay. Now, if I go to project and I look at who prepares the budget, who is it who's preparing the budget? Let's maximize that for now. Okay. Who's preparing the budget? It is admin 1 and admin 2. Let's assume that admin 1 and admin 2. Okay, sorry, we need to just place this up here on the right hand side. There we go. Admin 1 and admin 2 up their rates. Watch here. They up their rates. Admin 1, I think that's admin 1 over there, and admin 2 is second from the bottom. So let's say admin 1 takes his or her rate up to 300 an hour. Okay, and admin 2 takes it up to 150 an hour. Notice that that will ramify through to this, in that we are going to have a variance. Okay, all right. Total cost, baseline. All right, so there's going to be a variance now. Sorry, there's no variance. We didn't save the baseline. My apologies. So let's do that again, and let's go to Gantt chart over here. Let's just set the baseline. So project, schedule, set baseline. Okay, and okay. All right, that's fine. There's the baseline cost. Good. Let's go back here. All right, let's go back here and let's change admin 1's fee yet again. Okay, so we're going to change admin 1's fee to 350 per hour. Okay, and admin 2, we're going to go up to 250 per hour. Okay, right. We do notice that in the Gantt chart that there would now be a variance. Okay, and the variance is on those tasks over there. All right. Notice it has automatically ramified through to Excel over here. Do you see that? Okay, why? Because they are linked. Okay, they are linked. All right. Now, what is the point of this? The point of this is that we can play around with the data in Microsoft Excel. We can pivot. We can do all sorts of things. If we play around with it, we can slice it and dice it with all of Excel's tools. The things that we couldn't do in MS Project. Okay. The next video will show ways in which we can actually do that.